NotebookLM has just had some serious upgrades. Now, I don't just mean some nice to have updates. I mean features that completely change how you research, learn, teach, and create content with AI. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 brand new NotebookLM updates and features, some of which honestly blew my mind when I tried them. And for some of you, the last one on that list can be a game changer that can save you a ton of time. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what's new, how it works, and most importantly, how you can actually use this in real life. Hi, my name's Steve from entrepreneurnut.com, and on this channel, I share tips, tools, and strategies to help you work online smarter, not harder. Now, let's get into the video. So for our first NotebookLM update, what they've done is they've added more formats for the audio overview feature. So if you already use NotebookLM, then you'll know that you can create podcasts based on your sources between 2 podcast hosts that will discuss your topic. But now if I click on the pencil icon, we now have extra formats. So before we had deep dive or a brief podcast, but now we have this critique option here where the podcast host will scrutinize your topic. And then we also have the debate podcast where each podcast host will have an opposing view and discuss the topic in detail and pull it apart between them. Now these different podcast formats are brilliant for different use cases. So for example, if you want to gather all your sources together, so you can create a lengthy podcast that you can listen to perhaps while exercising, or if you're out walking your dog or driving or cooking or whatever, then a deep dive podcast is ideal. That said, if you want to stress test the topic and challenge the ideas, it can help to point out things like weaknesses, questionable claims, or overhyped conclusions. So this format style is excellent if you want to avoid just blindly accepting the guru advice. Or alternatively, if you want to be able to see 2 different sides of an argument and hear different opposing viewpoints, then the debate style podcast will be a good fit. So as a quick demo, let's choose the debate style. Now here I can select my language. I'm going to keep it on English. I make it short just for speed. And here we can give a prompt as well if we specifically want our podcast host to focus on a particular area of our topic. Now, my particular notebook right here is on longevity tips. So let's ask them to focus on blue zones and nutritional tips. Create this podcast. Now, of course, this will take a couple of minutes. Now, while this podcast is generating, let me show you NotebookLM update number 2, which is over here on the left-hand side. Here is my sources that I have for this notebook. Now, these are the sources that I personally uploaded myself. So where NotebookLM will be pulling the information from. Now, before I go on, if this is the first time you're looking at NotebookLM, then I recommend you watch this video right here, which is my NotebookLM step-by-step beginner's guide. That'll tell you about all the different things you can do with NotebookLM, as well as how to add your sources and things like that. So anyway, continuing on, I first added my sources here by clicking this add sources button and then uploading a few sources from my Google Drive, a couple from website URLs, a YouTube video, and I also dropped in a couple of PDFs as well. Now again, my beginner's guide shows you exactly how to do all that. So if this is new to you, then I do highly recommend you watch that video first. Anyway, with that said, here are my sources all added into my notebook where NotebookLM will pull our information from. Now we also have this option right here to ask NotebookLM to go and find more sources. Now this was here before, but previously is you could use this drop down right here to ask NotebookLM to search the internet for you or to search your Google Drive account. That's not changed, but the new update is this option right here. Before we only had one type of research, but now from this drop down, we also have this deep research option. So if I select this and I ask NotebookLM to find more credible sources that cover biohacking and longevity, it's going to search the internet for these kinds of sources for me. And I'm asking it to do deep research to spend a little bit more time finding exactly what I'm asking for. Click submit. And now NotebookLM will go out, search the internet and bring me back all kinds of sources that I'm looking for. And just like that, NotebookLM now has found us 29 more sources, which is great. So before I import these, I can click on the view button, take a look at any of these sources just to make sure they're what I want and they're actually good enough. Then click import and that brings them all into my notebook sources library. So now down here, we can see we've got 37 sources in this notebook, which is great. And now also our debating podcast is ready. So let's click play and have a quick listen.
Welcome to the debate. Our society has, largely mastered the art of longevity. But the real challenge now, the modern health challenge, is closing that huge gap between lifespan and health span. You know, the years we actually live well.
A gap that's getting wider for a lot of people.
Exactly. And so today, we're looking at...
Okay, so that's just to give you an idea. And I still can't get over how realistic those podcast voices sound. Absolutely awesome. Now, as impressive as that is, what if you could then turn your sources into something instantly visual? So that brings us to update number 3, where NotebookLM has now added this infographic feature. So with this, if I click on the pencil icon right here, I can actually create infographics for my sources. And NotebookLM here is using Google's Nano Banana Pro, which is absolutely amazing. So if you've not seen this yet, wait till you see the quality of these infographics. So first of all, I can select my language, landscape, portrait or square. Let's stick with landscape. Then here you can even choose the level of detail. So this is also new for the infographic feature. This infographic feature did come out a few days ago, but since then they've also added this level of detail to it too. So this tool is evolving rapidly. So here you have the option to create a concise infographic or something very detailed or something in the middle. Of create a couple of different ones to show you, but first of all, let's go with the standard, just to see what it comes up with in terms of content in our infographic for the standard level of detail. And now here, you can also guide the style by giving NotebookLM's infographic feature some prompts. So if you particularly wanted it to cover a specific subtopic of your topic, or if you want to guide the colors or the style or anything like that, you can do that here. I'm going to leave this blank and click on generate and just allow NotebookLM to come up with the style it wants. Okay, so now our infographic's ready. Let's have a click and see what we've got. Now look at that, look at the detail, it's amazing. So like I said, this is created with Google's Nano Banana Pro, and it's absolutely incredible for creating infographics. Now occasionally when you create infographics here with NotebookLM, you might find an occasional typo or something that doesn't quite match up. But the more I use it, that's actually becoming more rare. Like this one, for example, I don't see any typos at all, and it all looks pretty good. So let's create one more. Let's go back to the little pencil for the infographic, and let's this time select portrait, and let's go with a detailed infographic, and let's also give some direction, the prompts on specifically what we want. So I've asked here for an infographic showing different biohacking techniques for longevity and each technique's effect on the body. So let's see how well it creates this. Let's click generate. Now let's take a look at our new infographic. Give it a click. Let's see what we've got. So look at that. That is awesome. I can click also here to zoom in. Also click, drag and hold and move it around so I can then get a closer look. Now this looks absolutely amazing. And the level of detail, it's not just with the diagrams, but also with the text is incredible. And look at this here too. This is pretty amazing. Now this is excellent for compressing complex ideas to help to improve your own learning, or if you're using them for teaching and presentations, like as part of courses, workshops. And NotebookLM's infographic feature is also awesome for creating infographics for blog posts too. Now, if infographics are great for seeing information, what if you need to present it, explain it, or talk it through step by step? So this new NotebookLM feature handles this really well. So NotebookLM can now generate slide decks from your notebook. And again, it does this with Google's Nano Banana Pro. So coming over to the slide deck option, if we first click on the pencil, we then have a few options here where you can either create a detailed slide deck. This will be more comprehensive with full text and details, or you can create presenter slides. So this will be visual slides with key talking points and will be perfect for things like presentations, courses where you're teaching a topic, or webinars. So for this demo, let's select presenter slides. I'm going to leave the length on default, and I'm going to prompt the AI to focus on the topic of blue zones and longevity. Let's click generate. Okay, now our slides are ready. Let's open the slides and see what we've got. Okay, so here's our slides. This is awesome. Now I can click on this little toggle right here to bring these slides into the full screen. Now look at the detail on that. That is incredible. That is pretty amazing. Then I can just flick through my slides. Now these would look seriously impressive if you're using them in a presentation for like a course or a webinar or something like that. And the images are really beautiful and definitely good enough, in my opinion, to hold people's attention as you're presenting your material. Now, besides using these as a presentation, even if you didn't need to present anything, you might find it useful just to create the slides just to help your own learning. So again, there's lots of use cases for these. Okay, quick pause here. If you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share step-by-step guides on how to simplify the tech side of your business to help you be more productive, how to actually use AI and other smart tools the right way, and how to turn those tools into systems that can potentially bring in more revenue. So if that sounds good to you, then I'd love you to be a subscriber so you don't miss what comes next. Now, our next NotebookLM update is building on what I personally think is one of NotebookLM's strongest existing features, which is the video overviews. So with the video overviews, this has been around for a couple of months now, where you can turn your sources into a video. If I click on the pencil, we now have extra updated options to create our video. So this helps you to further hone in on things like the style of the video, the tone, and so on. So first of all, we can see that we've now got two different formats we can create. So we can either create an explainer video, which is generally a more comprehensive walkthrough and a bit more of a deep dive into your topic. Now, depending on how many sources you've got in your notebook, these videos can actually be quite lengthy too. But we also have the option here to create brief videos if you want like a bite-sized summarized overview. So just for speed, let's go for that option. Again, we can select our language. Now here, we've got different styles we can choose as well. Now this is awesome. If I scroll through, we can create whiteboard style videos, or we've also got anime style videos, which are really cool, or water style, retro, heritage, and so on. Or you can choose this auto select option and leave it to NotebookLM to choose which one it thinks is the best style for your type of video. Or you've got this custom option here. So if I click on custom, now we get this extra drop down right here where we can describe a custom video. So I'll do that in a minute, but first of all, let's create our first one with one of these styles. And I'm going to choose anime. And then here we have this prompt box right here if you want to give a bit more direction on either the video content or things like style and colors and things like that. So I've asked here NotebookLM to focus the content on nutrition and lifestyle choices with longevity. Let's click generate. Now this can take a few minutes, so I'll pause the video and we'll be back with you in a sec. Okay, so now our video is ready. Let's press play and see what we've got.
All right, let's talk about the longevity equation. It's not just about living longer, but living better. Sure, we're all living longer these days, but here's the big question. Are we actually living better? And this chart really shows the problem. Look at that gap. We're living almost 15 years in poor health. So the key term here isn't lifespan, it's health span. The goal? Make those two numbers match up. So what's causing this gap? Well, the answer is happening deep inside your cells. Let's meet the villain. And here they are, senescent cells. Think of them.
Now, this last NotebookLM update might look small on the surface, but once you realize what it unlocks, this could actually save you a ton of time. So back in NotebookLM here, if we go to add sources in the top left right here, this is the area, of course, where we can upload different sources, like from a Google Drive, website URLs, YouTube videos, or copy pasting text right here. And we also have this drag and drop area too. Now, up to just a couple of days ago, you only had a few different options here. You could upload, for example, a PDF document, a TXT file, or an audio like an MP3. But now NotebookLM has added loads more options for uploading your sources into this area, including Word docs, GIFs, JPEGs, PNG files, WebPs, and so on. Now, here's the thing I'm getting at here. This means you can actually upload images, and NotebookLM will be able to read your images and then bring that information from the image into your notebook and use it as a source. For example, let's say you're a student or you're taking a class of some kind, and you snap an image of the whiteboard from the lecture, something like this. Now what you can do is you can drag and drop your image right in this area right here, and NotebookLM will add it as a source right here. So if I click on this image, this is the photo of the image I just uploaded. So it's a photo of this whiteboard with all the notes on this longevity lecture right here. Now if I just exit out of this, come back to my list, now, for example, if I uncheck all my sources and then go down to that image, which is this one right here, select this whiteboard image, and now NotebookLM will only be pulling information from this one source, which is our image. And then we can create all kinds of things just from this image, for example, a mind map or flashcards or infographic or video overview and so on. Let's go for infographic. Click generate and see what kind of infographic NotebookLM is going to come up with for us based on our photo. Now our infographic's ready. Let's have a look at what we've got. And there we go. That is pretty awesome. And that's just based on one image. Now, like I said, there's loads you can do with this. Let me just show you one more option. We'd also turn this into flashcards too. So here you can select number of cards, level of difficulty, or you can even customize your flashcards with a prompt. Just to save time, I'm just going to leave it all at the standard setting and click generate. And let's see what flashcard it comes up with for us based on that one photo of our whiteboard notes. Okay, and that actually took less than 10 seconds. If I click on this, and now here are our flashcards, and we've got 20 flashcards created from our image. And here we can scroll through and look at the different flashcards that NotebookLM has created, and you can even download them right here to your computer and print them off. Now, if you want a deep dive on NotebookLM, then watch this video right here. Or if you want to see 10 AI tools that you won't believe are free, then watch this video right here.